Hi, everyone. Hey, are you praying about how to meet the needs of your community or church? I'm Dr. Joyce Chebb, co-founder of medmissionary.com, and I have a great idea for you. Something that is going to be very attractive and draw people from your community to your church. Now, Med Missionary is a course that takes about 2 months to complete and teaches students a therapeutic, whole foods, plant-based way to eat to decrease pain and inflammation and minimize medication dependence. Now, we began it initially for Seventh-day Adventists who wanted to learn more about the Adventist health message, but we soon found that non-Adventists were just as excited about learning about the biblical principles, and many of them were falling in love with Jesus. We also found that when we offered a weekend program called the Autoimmune Recovery Plan at churches, that church members found it very easy to invite their friends and family from the community to the church. And we were able to reach non-Adventists and non-Christians through this message of restoration. So we have put together a program that you can do at your church called the Autoimmune Recovery Program. This is a 1-month program where you can invite people to come once a week for 4 weeks to your venue. They can learn here the principles of wholeness and restoration. It's an amazing opportunity for your church to be able to offer a solution to the problem of pain, inflammation, and medication dependence that we see around us. Our pilot programs have found that people in the community are just drawn to the program. One pilot program that went into the community one day before the program started found 10 people who came to the program consistently week after week. Another pilot program has been asked by 2 other churches in their area to put on the Autoimmune Recovery Program at their churches. Mercy told me the other day that there are people who are wanting to know about the Bible now because of this program. And that's the most important thing, that people find Jesus. To be able to provide this program, you do need to have at least one person who has gone through the Med Missionary course who is willing to facilitate. And we find that it's more successful the more people on your team who've taken the Med Missionary program. So, are you interested? Email info@medmissionary.com or go to arp.diet to learn more information about how you can begin providing the Med Missionary Autoimmune Recovery Program at your church. And register to join the next course at medmissionary.com to get you the training that you need to become a facilitator of the program. We hope to see you there. God bless.